Cooking Challenge! Yeah!
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Pat and Brad's Cooking Challenge. I'm Brad.
And I'm Pat, and today we're cooking. It's Pat and Brad's Cooking Challenge! Yeah!
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Pat and Brad's Cooking Challenge. I'm Brad.
And I'm Pat, and today we're cooking craft dinner. Yeah!
We've already started boiling the water.
I see bubbles. That must mean it's boiling.
Toss in the noodles. So Pat, what do you want to add in this craft dinner?
How about some carrots?
I like the connection. Carrots, cheese, they're both orange.
Yeah.
Why not?
Makes sense.
Knives?
Knives, sure.
This reminds me of that one time when Pat and I were cutting carrots.
This is so much fun.
Anywho, I think it's time to add these carrots in here, Pat.
Alright, let's do it. Sure. Drop a couple. Hey, 5-second rule. Hook.
Almost had to switch to the 10-second rule there, Pat.
That was a close one.
Yeah. So Pat, any ideas what else we could add in?
Do we have any baked beans?
We sure do.
What a coincidence.
Can opener. That's excellent. Oh, this is gonna go so nicely.
So Brad, any other genius ideas?
Well, I was thinking, pasta's an Italian dish. So are olives. Why not add some in?
Let's do it.
That looks delicious.
Oh, that looks tasty. Add it in, Brad.
Sure. Oh, look at the juices. Those are the ripest olives I have seen in a long time.
Oh, you can't buy good olives these days.
You know, Pat, I really get the feeling that this craft dinner is missing something.
Me too. How about a cup of chocolate chips?
Sounds good.
Nice.
That's just delicious.
Mmm. Well, the noodles look pretty cooked. Maybe we should drain out all the water. Wonderful.
Great.
We might have to add some more chocolate.
Yeah, I don't know. I think we went a little stingy on it. That does look good. Just like Mama used to make it. Well, Pat, I think it's about that time to add the cheese, milk, and butter.
Before that, all the chocolate melted, so we might as well just add these last couple ones.
Yeah.
Cheese. Milk.
Butter.
Nice. Do you need some more milk in there?
A little bit of milk. Yeah. Those aromas just fill my nose.
Delicious.
I cannot wait to eat this. All right, so just to review what we put into our craft dinner today. The craft dinner, of course. We put some black olives, baked brown beans, chocolate chips, and of course, carrots.
We're in the halls of St. Joe's Catholic High School to see what people think about our craft dinner.
We found a volunteer on the streets, Norbert Kalai. Take a bite. Bon appetit. How is that?
Could use a little salt, but it's good.
It's pretty good. Pretty disgusting.
It's Pat and Brad's Cooking Challenge! Yeah!